wanted to walk you through an unboxing, which I have pretty much already unboxed because the boxes were just huge. I just got a variety of products in from American Crafts, which is now under the umbrella of Nicole Crafts. I don't know if you're familiar with them, but I know that you would be familiar with the names of the brands under Nicole Crafts. So when I've been in the craft store, I've seen very few items that are branded as Nicole Crafts, but you'll see things like We Are Memory Keepers and EK Tools, which is what I have in front of me. So to show you what came in my box, and hopefully you can see here kind of in the background what I have, is this Cinch stack cutter, which I have not unboxed. And it says that there's 4 pieces in there, and I know it has a little bit of construction to put together. I'm probably putting a wheel on and probably this bar here, but I will be doing an unboxing of that and demoing how to use it. It is going to take up a significant space, and so I need to prepare a space for that before we go any further with it. A few other items I got and I'm really excited about are, this is a mini heat press. Now I have a larger heat press, still handheld, but larger. And then I also have a craft iron, but this is going to come in between those two things and fill the gap that I really need to fill. And the thing I like about it here is that I see there's 3 different temperatures on it, and it's small enough to be handheld and small enough to work on my desktop. And so it's for heat set vinyl, quilting, and more. So yeah, there's a lot of brands out there that make little mini heat presses, and I am thankful to have this one. One of their newest items that I just got in, and I've seen a lot of people doing wonderful reviews on, is this in the Crop-A-Dile line, and this is the oval crop. And so what it does is it will punch an oval shape. I don't know if you can see it there. It punches the oval shape, and then you have oval shaped brads that go together to make tags like this. And since I do a tag tutorial every Tuesday, this is going to be used a lot. And I'm going to have to get more of the eyelets. I know it comes in 2 different colors right now, or 2 additional colors, I should say. This is the gold. I think they have silver and maybe like a bronze or a gunmetal. I'm not positive about that 3rd color, but I know they have 3 colors. So so when you use it, this is what your eyelet will look like. Then the next thing that I got is this. These are tearing guides, and there's 3 different rulers in here and a water pen so that you can wet the edge of the paper before you tear it if you need to. But it's going to give me, you can see here, it's going to give me 6 different kinds of ragged edges. And here's an example of what those tears look like. And my interest in this came from a tutorial I was doing recently, and I wanted to tear my paper. I didn't have anything that would give me a jagged edge, so I'm really glad to have these now in my arsenal, and I will be doing a tutorial with this as well. And the last thing is another kind of large package here. And this one, those were all We Are Memory Keepers. Or it's now called We Are Makers. And this next one is an EK Tool product. And it is a trimmer. But it comes with so much more. It comes with a bag to carry it in. So that's what's out here is a bag. Paper trimmer. Now, I have paper trimmers. I have paper trimmers that are this size. But the thing that interested me about this paper trimmer is the fact that it also has the scoring tool and the cutting tool all on the same bar. And that is interesting to me because the trimmers I have do not have this. Now I have one that I can put a scoring blade on, but I have to take the cutting blade off. So it's a stepped process where this is going to be able to do it all in one. Comes with a pair of scissors. It comes with 2 glue sticks. And then, like I said, the carrying case. So if we turn this over, you can see here, they've kind of thought about everything nicely because this bag has a zipper inside that you can use for storage. It has a shoulder strap here if you want to do it that way, or with a handle. The scissors come with a cover so that, you know, if you're carrying it, you've got safety from the point, which looks to be very, very sharp. It says it's precision. And then you've got your paper trimmer. Now the arm, just like most others, the arm will come out here so that you can measure larger paper trimmers, but this is really a nice size because it's somewhat portable. You can take it to a crop with you. You can take it crafting to classes with you, and still cut larger pieces of paper with that arm. And then we've got 2 glue sticks. So yeah, I'm really interested to get all of these products, and I have ideas for all of them, and I can't wait to share it with you. But I did want to jump on real quick and share what came in the mail. And so I want to thank American Crafts for sharing these items with me, and just once again to say I will be doing some tutorials using these items, and I know that specifically this one is going to come in handy right away because I'm going to a trade show, and one of the classes I'm taking said that I needed to bring a trimmer, and so this one, since it comes in a bag, this is the trimmer that's going to be going with me to the trade show. I will put links down below to all of these products. I am an affiliate of American Crafts, so any item that you purchase using my link, not only will you get 10% off, but you'll be helping me out. It doesn't cost you any more. So when you are going to go and buy specific items from stores, it does make sense to use someone's affiliate link because it really does help them out. And even if it's not mine, I encourage you to use someone's affiliate link because they'll get a small kickback from the company, and you'll not see anything different on your order. So it is a really nice thing to do for anybody that you follow online. So thanks for staying to the end, and I look forward to sharing these items with you again later.